presenting the Nissan 2017 Rogue SL. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are charcoal leather appointed seat trim, B93, chrome rear bumper protector, B92, black splash guards, set of 4, GUN metallic, U35, navigation manual, L92, floor mats and 2PC cargo area protector included, 2PC front and 2PC second row floor mats, P4, SL premium package included, LED headlights, power panoramic moonroof, Z66, activation disclaimer and all-wheel drive. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.